Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Weebly homepage. This is a simple but powerful feature that lets you change which page visitors see first when they land on your site, giving you complete control over your website's entry point. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your website settings. Now, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it to expand the menu, and underneath it, you'll find Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of websites. If you have multiple ones, choose the website you want to edit by selecting it from the list. Once you've made your selection, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click on this button to open the editor. You're now in the editor page of your website, which is where all the magic happens. This is your workspace for making changes to your site's design and structure. At the top of the editor, you'll notice a menu bar. Click on Pages in this top menu. This action will display all the pages that currently exist on your website. Here's where it gets interesting. Take a close look at the first page in your list. You'll notice it has a small home icon next to it. This icon indicates that this particular page is currently set as your home page, meaning it's the first thing visitors see when they arrive at your site. Now here's the key to resetting your home page. If you want a different page to become your new home page, simply drag another page above the current one. Weebly automatically designates whichever page sits at the top of the list as the home page, so by dragging any page to the first position, you instantly reset which page serves as your home page. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Weebly homepage by simply rearranging your page order. It's as straightforward as dragging and dropping pages to control which one sits at the top. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.